There's like, it's not the, what do you call those, where you swim and you run and you bike, right?
Triathlon, yeah.
Triathlon. It's not one of those, right? Because I kind of respect the endurance of it all, which is harder than shit, right? I've heard, like...
Right, so to be able to do that, and you're doing endurance skiing up the mountains, and then, you know, you're breathing heavily. In the meantime, you're like, okay, I got to shoot this target. Dude, I just walked down to shut the door, and I'm like, oh, man. I'm like, I'm still breathing heavy, you know?